everyone, this is the Logitech Bluetooth mouse that I have brought from Amazon, and you can see the specifications here. The price is written as 2795, but I got at a lesser price. You can see there is an extra button there which I will show later in this video. So this is the mouse. It looks great. Let's open it. So this is the mouse. As you can see, it's small, it's good. The buttons are sturdy and doesn't feel cheap. Let's have a look at the battery compartment now. It's an optical mouse. So they have given a battery already, and they have given an insulation to that battery. So let me remove it. So let's plug in the battery and let's turn it on. The button has the indication if it is on. If it is red, it's off, and when you can see that red, and when you will turn it on, it will there is a green sticker below the see. It's green now. There is a Bluetooth button also given. See, it's on. The light has glown. Now let's see how to pair it, because it's a Bluetooth connection. Let's do it. You need to press this button and it will go to pairing mode, and then you can find it on your laptop or tablet, whatever it is. So I will pair it up and show you some of the features of it. There is a dedicated software also available. So I will install it in my laptop and I will show it to you. Now I will show you how to connect the mouse in the PC or in the laptop. To do is to turn on the Bluetooth, and you have already pressed the button in the mouse, so it will be in the pairing mode. So I have done it. Now in the Bluetooth section, see, if I go to Bluetooth preference, this will come a new device. So I will connect it, and that's it. You are done. So now let me change some of my settings of the mouse, and it's not suiting me. It's very slow. The pointer is very slow, and so let me finish it first quickly. Let me download the software first from their official website of Logitech. Let me search for it. Logitech M337. So here it is. So this is the official website, and you can see all the details from here, like how you can control it. There is a dedicated button there. You can customize that button also. So it will be very helpful mouse for me. Let's see how these things. You can open this website. I will give the link in the description below. You can go to support, and then some permissions and many things need to be given since this is a Mac. So Apple products. So let me quickly do it, and then I will jump into that software. So this is also first time I am doing so. Uh, Please bear with me. So let me finish it quickly. So this is the final software. Here you can customize these buttons, and this separate button, as I told you, this gesture button. So see, this gesture button, you can do many things. So let me show you what are the things that are possible. So with these three buttons, only three these things are possible, but with gesture button, see, all sorts of things opens. So you can do many things. You can set it as whatever you want. I have personally set it as a changing desktops, that kind of thing. So you can do whatever you like. So you just explore over it and do the best you can do for it. So that's it. Pointer speed and scrolling speed also you can see set from there. So overall, this is a very good mouse. So you can definitely buy it. The best thing I like about this mouse is its Bluetooth. You don't have a USB trans receiver, so that USB trans receiver breaks often, and that mouse becomes completely unusable after say 1 or 2 years. This happened to my previous Logitech mouse that I had. The USB connection stopped working, and thus I shifted to this. So that's it. Bye. Please subscribe the channel if you like, to support us, so that I can make much of this kind of videos and much more. So subscribing, seeing the subscribers going up is a motivating thing for me. So this video I'm making after a long time. So that's it. Enjoy it, and keep subscribing.